Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the schedule of a particular channel that you are following or you are interested in on Twitch. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website. And after that you should go to your homepage and select the channel that you are interested in. Then scroll down when you are at their channel, and here you can find these options. Click on schedule, which is the third option, and here you can see their schedule, their calendar, and here you can see the videos and the stream schedule that you can watch the previous ones as well. So just simply tap on it and click on watch past broadcast. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.